Hey guys, this next episode of the Minute Clinic is for our NICU staff. We're going to talk about how to install a heated circuit in line with your jet. You're going to need a cross vent circuit and then your standard heated circuit. And then you're going to need the little bag of adapters and things that you can find inside of your the Avia circuit. So connect your inspiratory limb to the filter and then to one side of the heater. And then your inspiratory limb into the other side of the heater. Then you're going to take this adapter piece outside of the baggie, and then you just pull that clear tubing that was attached, and you can just pull it right out, so you're left with this piece. And what you want to do is connect that adapter piece right at the end of the expiratory limb. So it's going to look something like that. And what that's going to allow you to do is take the expiratory valve that's in your transport bag in this transport circuit. You're just going to borrow this piece out of that transport circuit, and you're going to connect your expiratory limb to it. So it will look like this when you're done. Then you'll just connect everything else like normal, all your pressure lines, and what you'll have is on your expiratory limb, you'll have the expiratory valve connected, and then you'll still have your heated, humidified heater hookup right here. So you have your inspiratory limb, everything is getting heated, humidified, going to the patient, but you still have a place to put your expiratory limb because you used the expiratory valve from the transport kit. Hope that helps, guys. See you next time.